Where are you going, Juliet? Hey, pretty baby. Hey, pretty baby. Oh, take it in your little hole. Put it in there for winter. Yeah, I'm not looking. I don't know where you hide it. Oh, you're going for your second house, huh? Yep, she's gonna go up there and put it in that one. Oh, the other ones are taking the opportunity to get in the big bowl. That little bitty one in the jar. Look at that little cutie. That's a loose branch. You're gonna fall. Better have your little squirrel parachute on. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. What are you doing? Come get your nuts. Come on. Get your goodies. Come get your treats. Come on, come get your treats. That little kid's gonna eat them all. He's gonna eat them all. Ooh, the sun's glaring. Sorry. You're gonna eat all those treats. You're not sharing with anybody. Oh, who that? Who that peeking at the top? Hello? What you doing? You giving me the stink eye? You want me to take my rotten dogs inside so you guys can come down and munch on your nuts? All right, guys, come on. Come on, kids. Whoops, sorry. Can't wait. Hey, Maisie. Hey, Maverick. Let's go inside. Come on, let's get treats. Come on, let's go get treats. Come on, let's let the squirrels be. They gotta go in with the scary robot vacuum. Come on. Come on. Go in the house. In the house. Thank you.